Starting tonight with a Bella Vista woman who has pled not guilty to charges related to impersonating a nurse while working for a rehab facility in Springdale.
5 News reporter Jacob Luthi talked with prosecutors and the company that owns the facility to learn more on how she allegedly was able to do this. Jacob.
Alexandra, senior prosecuting attorney Dennis Dean tells me Alicia Flanagan pleaded not guilty on Monday to 2 counts of non-financial identity fraud and practicing medicine without a license. Dean adding she was very detailed while allegedly pretending to be someone she wasn't.
The defendant did a good job of selling herself as this other person. She had done her research online.
Court documents say Alicia Flanagan used fraudulent credentials of a nurse in Virginia named Alicia Pierce to get a job at the Springdale Health and Rehabilitation Center. Investigators say she worked there from September 2022 till January 2023 and later for North Hills in May of 2023.
She found this other person's identity, another person's license. The name was similar to hers, the date of birth was similar to hers, and she put together resumes and licenses and passed herself off as this person.
Joe Perkins with NHS Management, the company that oversees Springdale Health and Rehab, tells 5 News the company did a complete and in-depth background check on Flanagan before hiring her, but did not find out until later that she was not who she said she was. Court documents show Springdale Health and Rehab notified Springdale Police in June 2023 after being contacted by the Arkansas State Board of Nursing. Jail records show Flanagan was booked into the Washington County Jail in April 2024. In a statement from the Arkansas Department of Health, quote, all employers are to verify a nurse's license through one of 2 online services, and all Arkansas licensees are listed in the ASBN registry. Dean added that identity theft is not uncommon in Washington County.
Unfortunately, identity theft, people committing acts of forgery and fraudulent activity related to someone else's identity is prevalent in Washington County. Someone assuming someone's identity for purposes of getting a job, specifically a job in the medical field, fortunately is still pretty rare.
Perkins says that after finding out Flanagan wasn't who she said she was, Springdale Health and Rehab took steps to make sure there were no adverse consequences from her actions while she worked as a nurse at their facility. A trial date has been set for December 9th in Washington County. Jacob Luthi, 5 News.